Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mailchimp automation for onboarding sequences, complete guide step by step clearly.
Log into your Mailchimp account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Automations tab in the top menu. Click on Create to start a new automation. Select Email from the automation options. Choose Custom to configure your own automated sequence.
Now, pick the onboarding series as your base template.
Give your automation a name that clearly identifies its purpose. Define the specific list you want to use for this onboarding sequence. Decide on the time delay before the first email is sent.
This could be immediately or after a few days, depending on your strategy.
Next, click Add Email to create your first onboarding message. Be sure to include key information about your service or product. Add a compelling subject line to catch their attention.
Customize the From details to display your brand name.
Choose the timing for this email based on your earlier delay settings. Once your first email is complete, click Save and Continue. Feel free to add additional emails to the sequence by clicking Add Email. For each subsequent email, consider focusing on different aspects of your service. You might include tutorials, tips, or customer testimonials. Make sure to set appropriate delays between emails to avoid overwhelming your audience. After you finish adding all your emails, review the entire automation flow. Ensure that everything is well organized and that the timing is logical. Finally, click on Start Sending to activate your automation. Monitor the performance of your onboarding sequences regularly.
This will help optimize your automation and improve overall results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.